Okay, good morning all. Hope you will be fine. Okay, this is our second class, so no need of introduction. I have already given my introduction. My name is Tasneem Jahan. In previous class, we discussed and got an overview about the chapter 3 questions, and we came to know that what were the 3 questions and what were the right answers, and how the king able to find that answers. In today's class, what we will do, we will try to understand its explanation word by word, okay, line by line. Okay, let me start the chapter. Okay, for explanation, what we have to do, first of all, we should try to understand simple meaning of some difficult words. Okay, I have already written some meanings. I will explain it. Okay, let me start. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. These 3 things were: what is the right time to begin something, which people should he listen to, what is the most important thing for him to do. So in the very first para, there is a word thought, which means idea, and we already know that there was a king in whose mind an idea came that if he will be able to know the answer of these 3 questions, that what is the right time to begin something, and which people should he listen to, and what was the last question. The last question was that what is the most important thing for him to do. If he will be able to know all these things, his kingdom will be for long time. His kingship will be for long time. Okay, the king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom. What is the meaning of throughout? Throughout means in every part. Throughout his kingdom means in every part of his kingdom. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. For that, what king did? King sent his messengers in each and every part of his kingdom to make an announcement that those who will be able to answer these 3 questions, king will provide him a very large sum of money. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. What happened? Many wise and intelligent people came, but their answers were also very much different. And king thought that in reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. So what is the meaning of avoid? Avoid means, okay, what is the meaning of strictly? Things which demands obedience, and the meaning of avoid is to keep away from something. Okay. In the reply of the first question, what was the first question? The first question was that what is the right time to begin something. A group of people came with the idea that king must have a timetable and follow it strictly. And the other group of the people said that we can't decide anything in advance. There are some necessary things which we have to do at that time only. We can't predict them before time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. Other people came with the idea that king must have counselor or advisor with him, because a single person can't decide a single person may not be able to decide to do the work at proper time. Okay, but when others said that there were some things which could be urgent, these things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magician could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians, and other group of people came with the idea that there are something which we can't know that what will happen in our future, and there are some urgent things also. Okay, for that we have to take decision on time only. Okay, in order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into future. Other people came with the idea that we can't do anything advance whenever we will not know about future. So for that, what to do? King should have a magician. Magician can look into the future, and they will help to king for deciding the proper time for action. Okay, in their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors, others said the priest, a few others chooses the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. And in reply to the second question, what was the second question? The second question was that which people should he listen to? In reply to this question, some said that king must have some counselors or advisors, and a group of people said that king must have priest with him, and a few other people who were giving importance to the health. They said that king must have a doctor with him so that he will tell him about his health. Okay, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary, and those people who wants to expand his empire, they said that king must have work on military. Okay, to the third question, some said science, others chooses fighting, and yet others religious worship. What was the third question? The third question was that what is the most important thing for him to do? So in reply to this question, some said that king must do work on science. Some said that king should have work on fighting or war, and some religious people came with the idea that king must have to do religious virtues. Okay, performing religious virtues is the most important thing for religious people. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. So at last, what happened? There are many answers, and king was not satisfied with anyone, and he didn't reward to any person. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Instead of giving reward, what he did, he decided to meet a hermit who was famous for his wisdom. For that, the hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on necessary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. King was living in wood, and he was so simple. So meeting with that person, with hermit, what the king does, he also wore a very simple cloth, and he kept his bodyguard outside he kept his bodyguard away from himself and went alone to meet that hermit. As the king came near to the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. And when the king went to meet the hermit, what the hermit was doing? Hermit was busy in digging. Okay, he greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. What is the meaning of greet? Greet means giving a sign of welcome when meet someone. So what the hermit did, when he saw the king, he greeted him with a smile. He was a very old person, and due to the hard work, he was breathing heavily. Okay, Like, the king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. When the king reached to the hermit, he kept his medal in front of him and told him that I came to know the answer of these 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? So what the king does, he asked his all 3 questions to the hermit. The hermit listened to the king, but didn't speak. What the hermit did, he listened king patiently, but he didn't utter a single word. He went on digging. He was busy in his work. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. You are tired due to the hard work. King was tired and hermit was tired and king feel it. Then what he does, he asked for digging and he took spade from hermit. Thanks, said the hermit giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. Hermit gave his spade to the king and sat down. Okay. When the king had dug 2 beds, what is the meaning of beds? This is not the beds which we used to speak. This is the bed, which means small patches of ground for plants. Small patches of ground for plant. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his question. After digging 2 beds, what the king does? He repeated his question. The hermit gave no answer, but he stood up. The hermit was not replied, but he stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade and said, now you rest and let me work. Hermit stand up and he stretched his arms and he was preparing himself for digging again. Now, and he said to the king that you are tired, now you rest and let me work. He said to the king that now you are tired, you can take rest and let me do my work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to digging. But king was not ready to give him the spade and he keep on his digging. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, what the king does, he didn't work for 1 or 2 or 3 hours. He did very hard work till the sun set. And when the sun set, he stuck the spade in the ground. This is the sign to finish the digging. Okay. The said, I came to you, wise men, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home. He again repeated his question and said, wise man, I came to you to know my answers. And if you are not ready to give me answer, tell me openly. I can go back at my place. Okay. Then here comes someone running, said the hermit. Someone is coming, hermit said. Okay. Okay. This was the first part of the chapter, 3 questions, and we try to understand the explanation of this chapter. Okay. And after completing, I hope that you will do your homework. There is a comprehension check. There are 2 questions. First one is, why did the king want to know answer to these 3 questions? And the second one, this is multiple choice question and you have to select one. You please